The Bitcoin Cash network is constantly expanding towards new frontiers, looking for solutions to improve the way you interact with money online. Bitcoin Cash improves the user experience of cryptocurrency, making it easy for websites to accept payment for goods and services in a secure and private way. Enter Badger Wallet. Badger Wallet is a decentralized open-source browser extension that integrates a secure Bitcoin Cash wallet to your web browser, creating infinite possibilities for websites and their users alike to monetize content and use cryptocurrency online. With Badger, you can also store tokens created on-chain. You can add a Badger button to your website and instantly begin accepting payments or donations. No sign-up necessary, and Badger can never block your payments. Badger is easy to use and is powered by the Bitcoin Cash blockchain, where transactions are instant and fees are a fraction of a penny. Badger Wallet opens the door to a revolutionary new internet, where payments have no borders and there's no limit on when or where you spend. Visit badgerwallet.cash to join the beta and experience the future of money.